Hi, just a quick little video on how I created the splashes. I've got a teeny tiny drop of water in the bottle cap and I'm going to add a little drop of, look, they're all covered in ink splashes, Mango Melody Re-Inker. What I'm going to do is just drop 1, 2 drops. I think 3 fell in, but not to worry. I have a syringe from the chemist. This is a 5 ml one. I can just give this a stir to get the ink distributed in the water, and then I'm going to draw up about a mil and a half's worth of air. Then I'm going to draw up a drop of
Camera's at the top of the phone, love.
ink. I'm getting confused about where is what. So you got that, and then put your cardstock down, make sure your area is well covered, and hold it about 6 inches up and splat. The closer you get the air in, a little drop of Re-Inker. The closer you get, the better it gets. But you do make mess, so be warned. This is Carrie from Two Big Girls showing you how to get messy with ink.